Hi, it's Caroline. Welcome to the channel and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be using a brand new kit which I've not used before, called On the House. It's a Pinot Grigio. We're going to be announcing the winner of the Cooper's Canadian Blonde beer competition. I'm also wearing another new t-shirt from Pat at Birthday Greetings. We have a new sign. And yesterday we went on a road trip to Banbury to deliver the 3 bottles of Vineco Shiraz to the winner. I got very good feedback from him last night. He said it was very palatable, and he also got me a present, a nice gin glass. As always, because it's a new kit, it's competition time, so please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and leave a comment with "Let's make Pinot." The equipment I'll be using today is a fermentation bucket with lid and airlock, large spoon, thermometer, hydrometer and the heat pad. So let's get started. I bought this kit on the house for $45.99. It'll make 30 bottles in 30 days and that will cost £1.53 a bottle, so bargain. Let's open the box and get started. I say this every time, don't I? It was just opened. Here's one I made earlier. Okay, so in the box we have a bag of grape juice and a packet of other ingredients and instructions. It'll have the yeast and the bindings and stabiliser, etc. So yeah, so there's the instructions. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to transfer the grape juice from the bag into the fermentation bucket. I'm going to top it up to 23 litres using a combination of hot and cold water so that the temperature when I get to 23 will be between 20 and 25 degrees, which I'll obviously check with my thermometer. And then we'll add the yeast, give it a stir, and then obviously it will go on the heat pad. So we'll go and do that and come back in a sec. As you've just seen, we emptied the grape juice into the fermentation bucket. I got a little bit overexcited. I didn't read the instructions first, and actually the bentonite we should have put in first. Now it's actually really funny because when I've used bentonite before, you put it in, you use 2 litres of hot water, and then when you stir it, it becomes really clayish and mud-like. And if you've seen on a previous video, I think we did a close-up shot of that. So we poured the grape juice in and thought, oh, no, I've not added the bentonite. So we put the bentonite into 2 litres of warm water in a jug and stirred it, and actually it's much better. So I found a new way. Anyway, topped it up to 23 litres using a combination of hot and cold water. We've checked the temperature, it was 25 degrees. We've used the hydrometer to check the specific gravity, which I've recorded, and then the last bit is to sprinkle on the yeast, which is what I'll do now. It doesn't need stirring for this particular kit, so stir it in, leave it on the top, then I'm going to add the lid that's got the airlock on, and then put it on the heat pad so that the fermentation process can take place. When the airlock stops bubbling, we'll go on to the next stage of the process. Now let's pick a winner. And the winner is of this gallon of Cooper's Canadian Blonde beer, Nicola Peach. Nicola Peach, a gallon of this fine beer is on its way to you. To be in with a chance of winning 3 bottles of this wine when it's ready, please subscribe to the channel if you've not already done so, and leave a comment starting with "Let's make Pinot." If you've enjoyed today's video, please like, share and subscribe. Cheers!